In this video, I will be showing you how to find the first derivative and the second derivative of these functions. With all that said, let's get started. Here is number one. Let's try number one. I'm going to use this symbol for a derivative. Then here we're going to apply the power rule. Here we have coefficient 1. Then here we're going to multiply 1 times 4. Answer is equal to 4. Then minus by 1 is x to the power 3. Then here we have coefficient minus 3 times 3 is minus 9 minus 1 here. Answer is x squared. Plus here we have x to the power 1, so it's 1 times 16, which is equal to 16, minus 1. Any number to the power 1 is equal to 1, so 1 times 16 is equal to 16. So this one is the first derivative. Let's find the second derivative. I'm going to use this symbol for a second derivative. 4 times 3 is equal to 12, minus 1 x squared, minus 9 times 2 is minus 18, minus 1 x to the power 1. A derivative of a constant is equal to 0. Derivative of a constant is equal to 0. Therefore, this one is the final answer. This one is the second derivative, and then this one is the first derivative. Okay, let's continue. Here, before we attempt to apply the power rule, let's try to simplify first. Let's get rid of the roots. So it's y is equals to x to the power 1 over 2 plus x to the power 3, is 1 over 3. Then we can go ahead and apply the power rule. Here we have coefficient 1, so it's 1 times half, which is equal to half, minus 1, so 1 half times 1 is equal to minus half, so minus half. Then here we have coefficient 1, so coefficient 1 multiplied by 1 over 3, answer is plus 1 over 3. It's 1 over 3 minus by 1. 1 over 3 minus by 1. 1 over 3 minus by 1. Answer is minus 2 over 3. It's minus 2 over 3. So this one is the first derivative. Let's find the second derivative. This symbol is for a second derivative. Okay, so now we have coefficient 1 over 2 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. So our answer is minus quarter. It's minus 1 over 4. is minus 1 over 4 minus 1. Half minus 1 half minus 1 is equal to x to the power minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Coefficient here is 1 over 3, then the power here is minus 2 over 3. 1 over 3 multiplied by minus over 3, answer is minus 2 over 9. Yes, minus 2 over 9. Minus 1. Minus 2 over 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 5 over 3. It's minus 5 over 3. So this one is the final answer. This one is the first derivative, and then this one is the second derivative.